Hello, I'm EBS Augustine. I bring a solid foundation in computer science from Ladoke Akintola University of Technology, Oyo, Nigeria. My academic training has equipped me with a strong grasp of algorithms, data structures, software engineering principles, and a passion for building robust, user-focused applications. As a full-stack developer, intern at Saiketsys Systems, I'm excited to apply my theoretical knowledge to real-world projects, collaborate with a talented team, and contribute to meaningful solutions. My goal during the internship is to deepen my expertise in modern web technologies, improve my ability to design scalable systems, and demonstrate practical proficiency in transforming ideas into polished software.
Welcome. This is Tax One, a static portfolio website with a cohesive theme. On screen, you will see the top navigation with three links: Home, Projects, and Contact. The hero introduces me and the project goals, while the overall theme uses a unified color palette, typography, and icon style for accessibility across devices. The projects section shows placeholder cards arranged in a responsive grid. Each card represents a project placeholder with an image, a title, and a short description. Importantly, every project card includes a link to the corresponding GitHub repository for Tax 1 through Tax 6 of the internship. These links connect viewers to the live code bases and demonstrations. As you scroll, you can see Tax 1 through Tax 6 repositories listed. I will click through to demonstrate the navigation flow to each repository and point out that you can explore the code, assets, and any live demos where available. From the projects section, you can click to open each GitHub repository. The label for each card shows tax 1, tax 2, tax 3, tax 4, tax 5, and tax 6. The repositories host the front-end code for the portfolio tax, along with example assets and documentation. This walkthrough highlights how the portfolio links tie directly to the internship tax and their corresponding code bases. Switching to the code view, we open VS Code to inspect the tax 1 front-end files. We begin at the HTML header to see the structure that supports the navigation and sections. You will notice the header and nav contain the home, projects, and contact anchors, establishing a semantic and accessible navigation flow. The code then moves to the main sections, including the projects area with placeholder cards and the contact form ready for interaction. Next, we review the front-end scripts. Here is where the JavaScript handles the contact form validation, including input checks and a demo success image. You will see a form with ID contact form and fields for name, email, and message. The JavaScript listings for the submit event, validates the inputs, and provides real-time feedback before submission, all styled with Bootstrap utilities for a cohesive look. Styling is powered by Bootstrap to ensure a responsive, consistent theme across devices. The CSS classes enforce the grid, spacing, and visual reading, while semantic HTML and area attributes improve accessibility. The live UI demonstrates a clean, accessible interface that remains visually cohesive as the viewpoint changes. That's tax 1 UI overview and the front-end script flow from HTML to JavaScript validation, all within a Bootstrap-styled responsive portfolio. For next steps, you can expand with additional validations, richer interactions, or a real form handler backend. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Task 2 of Saiket System Internship. In this section, we will explore how to create a responsive web page for a Nigerian food staples business. The project delivers a clean, responsive e-commerce landing page with HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap with interactive features powered by vanilla JavaScript. The primary goal is to design a layout that adapts seamlessly across desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. We will structure content with semantic HTML, style with CSS and Bootstrap, and add interactive elements to engage users. Finally, we will present a catalog of staple Nigerian foods in a clear, enticing way, reflecting essential e-commerce principles. To preview the interface locally, you open the index file in your project directory. If you are using Visual Studio Code, you can right-click and choose Open with Live Server to see real-time changes as you code. We leverage Bootstrap grid system with responsive utilities to ensure the page reflows gracefully on different screen sizes. The layout uses semantic HTML5 elements header, nav, name, section, article, and footer to organize product information, descriptions, and interactive elements. The visual style blends custom CSS with Bootstrap components to achieve a cohesive, branded look, consistent typography, color harmony, and responsive spacing. The vanilla JavaScript powers client-side interactivity, enabling features such as UI toggles and lightweight enhancements that keep dependencies minimal. Possible interactive elements include a toggle mobile menu, a simple image carousel, and real-time messages. The product catalog highlights 6 Nigerian staples: gari, also known as cassava flakes, palm oil, dry fish, melon seeds, ogbono powder, and pounded yam flour. Each item is presented with concise descriptions and appealing visuals to support a straightforward shopping flow, reflecting core e-commerce concepts like readability, intuitive navigation, and clear product presentation. So in summary, this task demonstrates how to blend responsive design, semantic HTML, clean styling, and interactive JavaScript to present a clear, attractive e-commerce landing page for Nigerian food staples. Thank you for listening, and to my Nigerian family and friends, just in case you are interested in any of these food staples, that is a good business, you can reach out to me. All right, thank you. Bye. Welcome to Task 3 of the Saiketsys Internship. In this section, we explore the foundations of modern front-end frameworks by building a simple functional to-do list using React.js. This app demonstrates core framework features, component-based architecture, state management, user interaction handling, and conditional rendering. The goal is to gain hands-on experience with a popular front-end framework and understand how to create interactive user interfaces. The to-do list serves as a practical example to show reusable components, reactive UI updates, and clean data binding. To get started locally, ensure you have Node.js and npm installed, a code editor like VS Code. If you are using React, you will need familiarity with basic JavaScript and HTML. Application features includes add new tags. You will need to enter a description and add it to the list. Edit existing tags, modify a tag's description and save changes. Delete tags, remove a tag from the list. After starting the app, you will see an input field and an add tags button. Enter a tag description and click add or press enter to append it to the list. To edit, click edit next to a tag, update the text and save. To delete, click delete next to a tag. If implemented, you can mark tags as completed by toggling their status. These tags demonstrate the practical use of a front-end framework to build an interactive component-driven to-do list. It covers core concepts like state management, event handling, and conditional rendering, laying a solid foundation for more advanced framework work.